Sawon. No problem.
Welcome to PFTV. I have the Tonga Oak Tatana. Tatana, the boys won today 3-0. But over 2 legs, it was a 3-3. And then we lost on penalties. How did you see the game today?
Wow. I really don't know how to be able to comment on the game. It's quite emotional, to be quite honest. Hey. Also, congratulations to the team. Massive character that they've shown. Uh, it's a like after math, it's a matter of like what could have been, what should have done, what would have. The coach, of course, came with a 4-3-3. I think nobody, okay, even myself, I really didn't anticipate that. I thought we're going to definitely have like three defenders right at the back. And up front, we're going to have two strikers, literally good strikers, maybe Mabasa Mahopa, Mbutuma Mahopa, whatever the case may be. The coach definitely had other plans in place, having to. You remember, I thought of you. You remember when he said he'd like to see our police as number 9, as a false 9. I think that took place today. He was interchanging himself and Moremi. I think people be like, why did the players play the crosses because we never had number 9? But I think this is something that was really practiced, and of course the details of this kind of approach were really dissected. And when we get to the game, you started to see players, maybe the pressure got into them to start to cross the balls, because I don't think that was the approach of the game, because you can say you can blame the coach, but the execution is taken by players themselves. But massive character by our players. I'm really humbled. I'm really humbled, Mfethu. I'm really not okay. Yeah, man, there's nothing much I can say other than having to show good character. And unfortunately, whatever the coach tried to instill and integrate in terms of being able to approach the game, really didn't work to his favor until we scored that goal. And you can see also the opponents. When we scored that first goal, there was that a whole lot of commotion that led to 2 red cards, and they knew themselves, And guys, we're not disrespecting Saint Elwa Lupopo, but you can see this is not a team, guys. Like abakwazi ukudlala labantu. Like literally, mfethu, singabathatha with our Sunday teams. Singabathatha labantu, mfethu. Seriously, no jokes aside. Singabathatha labantu. Like mfana, I don't know, mfana. I don't know.
And then we saw the referee today. It seems like every decision went against us. He even denied us a penalty, and I think it was clear. I don't know how you saw the penalty. What did you make of the referee today?
Penalty regarding Namtanjera's what's this foul. I don't think it was a penalty. Let's be honest. I think it was quite soft. I don't really think it was a penalty. But coming to officiating, definitely, when we play in Africa, bruh, let's be honest, man, the odds are up against us at all times. And I just think that I don't know, maybe also it's a thing of having a lot of new players into our squad that haven't played CAF Champions League. But I think maybe the management and other players could have spoken to them that, you know what, guys, these are things that are going to happen. Calm down and let's play our football. Because it's not a myth, it is there. We are despised as South African football. Everything needs to be against us, because even if we overcome these odds, remember there's Arabs. There's MC Alger, Al Alhi, Wydad Casablanca, same kind of mindset. Yeah, man, I just think that whatever we got wrong in the first leg, it kind of like beat us hard now. And the players, they did come back. Penalties there for anyone to be able to take. People will be like, Mbutuma is inexperienced. Why did he take that penalty? Let's look at somebody who got saved. Isn't that somebody like you? Ngisho nawe ungabheja ngendlu ngekara ngenja yakho ngemedia yakho ukuthi uthi uyelihlaba phakathi.
No, not me.
You understand? But ukuthi uthi uyelihlaba phakathi, but it is unfortunate, as we say, penalty, it's a lottery. but hey, man, our character from the boys, it really, I mean, defeated 3-0, came back against Pulukwani, won 1-0, 3 points. Again today, 3-0 again, and having to lose to the penalties. And yeah, man, we just have the domestic cups to play for.
And then we have Makesi on Tuesday. Do you think the coach must pretty much go with the same approach with the false nine, or do you think he must introduce Mabasa, Mbutuma, or Skomota?
Now I think we're going to revert back to our default formation. But now I think it's going to be hard when we start up front for what's his name, Mahopa or Mabasa, because hey, Mbutuma is willing to run. Mbutuma, remember we spoke about it also, and I told you guys that Mbutuma, it's only the only thing. It's his first touch. Phela mfana, you know, if that will be fixed, mfana ayamathima yokhala, you know. Yeah, he has the eye for the goal. He's willing to run into spaces, to hold the ball, to be able to invite other players to be able to play. So I think we're going back to our default system. But hey, man, to be honest, mfana, I don't know what's this coach number at Tabafetu. Like, I guys know, man. I guys know. Like, mfana, if it doesn't, okay. Right now, I love Abdesalam Wadu. I support him through and through. Even now, like people at the center line, they were up against him. I'm like, please don't talk to me. That's why we sing the song. Namasapota rongo, apua abadlali betu, iyali, lapho uthanda khona. Don't talk to me trash. You understand? So, but again, Mfethu, you have Umbata who did brilliantly against Rwanda, and we knew Mfethu this team. How many defenders were back of Saint Luabupo every time when you had the ball? How many did you count at most times?
5, 6.
7 to 8.
Actually, everyone, man. Everyone is at the back.
Yeah, it's 7 to 8. So they will have the number one and the other guy the blonde guy. So it was 7 to 8 at most times. So these guys, they're going to play Gakulu or E-riding, low block. What does that allow you to play Mbata? You know he has a rocket in him, and we can count number of times Tito got that. We know he tried the finesse most of the time, but it's maybe, let's say maybe 5 out of 1 ball out of 5 it'll go to target. But you know Umbata mabangamvulela mfano ya scoop. You understand?
4 out of 5,
Thank you. You understand? So I think, man, coach mfana, because we saw Mbata Muspeka corner on Polokwane.
He was cheering the boys. You could see it's not like maybe he has beef with the coach or anything behind the scenes. I think it was purely a tactical decision.
Yeah, mfana, yeah, as you said, but mfethu, we know, okay, we love MasterChef. We love Nemtanjera, you know. Play MasterChef and Mbata. Play just in front of what's his name? Nduli. Play MasterChef Mbata. Play Nemtanjera Mbata. You know, but Mbata needed to be there. He's an international player, mfethu, and we are more no hungry. So can you not have these kind of moments, mfethu? I think let me not say I wanna blame him, but come on, coach. Come on, coach. Aye.
And then our defense, Mbokazi and Siema, man, they haven't been conceding. Like, if they're there, you know China is not going to concede goals. And on this one, maybe we lost 3-0. He tried to change things a bit. Maybe, I think it was maybe experience, you know, he wanted to throw in the CVC. But now that we went back to our default defense, a clean sheet again, you think that the coach's decision was justified, the first leg? And how did you, initially when you saw maybe the lineup, how did you react to it over the defense?
Nah, I think it was justified now. This decision was justified today because with the clean sheet and the same boys. On the first leg we lost 3-0, so you could not be able to justify it as well. And I think with the first leg, you know, like, let's be honest, another thing is that, like, when you play prelim games, most teams amateam swag. We don't expect to shower, but I think with running it was a wake-up call. You understand? And now with Saint Lupopo, again we're quite arrogant. We went to them and we wanted to score the goals, you know. And I think I wouldn't really blame our coach, because I think, you know, like now, man, if you have good players abamnandi at your disposal, why would you wanna play defensively? But I think again, the same technical team, they should have spoken to him. But as Mfana, last season when we played away, we'll strive to get a draw and catch the opponent in a counter. Sibadle 1-0, you know, and mabeza la bazovula because bafuna amagoli and siyakwazi ukuthi sibadle, you know. So yeah, man, the first leg, it is unfortunately that we lost 3-0, and again came back today. Same pairing defense, Sibelebele on the right and Otto on the left, and they kept the clean sheet. So if it's not broken, you know, don't change it. If you really, I still say, if you really want to introduce like the third center back into that, don't, also when it's necessary, you know, introduce him 80th minute, like mangabe like ziyabuya vele, introduce him 80th minute, 85th minute, kancane, you know, like Njongo Shenko. You see Shenko coming on today. Shenko was playing against Polokwane City. Prior to that, was he playing? No. Like Namanyama Fouls Begawayen's, and you could see it's because of the match fitness. But there were people ahead of Shenko dancing, you know, that was ahead of Shenko. Mbates, we spoke about who are ahead of Shenko. We're not saying Shenko is not a good player, he's one of my favorite players. But due diligence, if you do have so much quality at your disposal, introduce a player kancane, then we'll eventually be good.
Thanks, Tatana.